Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x plus 3 times x plus 5 times x plus 7 times x plus 9 is equal to 9. Okay, or rearranging left side we can write here x plus 3 times x plus 9 times x plus 5 times x plus 7 is equal to 9. Or now multiplying first two term we can write x times x is x square plus x times 9 is 9x plus 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 9 is 27. And now multiplying second two last two term we can write x times x is x square, x times 7 is 7x, 5 times x is 5x, 5 times 7 is 35 is equal to 9. Or x square plus 9x times 3x is 12x plus 27 times x square plus 7x plus 5x is 12x plus this 35 can be written as 27 plus 8 is equal to 9. Or now let x square plus 12x plus 27 plus 27 is equal to y. So we will get y times y plus 8 is equal to 9. Or y times y is y square plus 8 times y is 8y, and taking this 9 to left side we will get negative 9 is equal to 0. Or now here we can use middle term breaking rule, so we can write here y square plus 9y minus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Or now taking common y to first two term we will get y times y plus 9, and taking out negative 1 to last two term we will get negative 1 times y plus 9 is equal to 0. Or now taking out y plus 9 we will get y plus 9 times y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now from here we have two solutions, so we can write here y plus 9 is equal to 0 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. But remember, let y is equal to x square plus 12x plus 27, so we can write here x square plus 12x plus 27 plus 9 is equal to 0. Similarly here we can write x square plus 12x plus 27 minus 1 is equal to 0. Or x square plus 12x can be written as 12x plus 27 plus 9 is 36 is equal to 0. Or now we can write here x square plus 12x can be written as 2 times 6x plus 36 can be written as 6 square is equal to 0. Or now here we can write x plus 6 whole square is equal to 0. Now taking square root on both sides, we can write here square root of x plus 6 whole square is equal to square root of 0. This cancels out this, so here we will get x plus 6 is equal to 0. So finally we will get the value of x is equal to negative 6. Or here we can write x square plus 12x plus 27 minus 1 is 26 is equal to 0. Now here we can use quadratic formula, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a is equal to minus b, that means 12, plus or minus a square root of b square is 12 square minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 26 over 2 times a, that means 2 times 1 is equal to minus 12 plus or minus a square root of 12 square is 144 minus 4 times 1 times 26 is 104 over 2 times 1 is 2. is equal to minus 12 plus or minus square root of 154 minus 104 is 40 over 2 is equal to minus 12 plus or minus square root of 40 can be written as 4 times 10 over 2 is equal to minus 12 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 square root of 10 over 2. There are two values of x, so we can write here x is equal to minus 6 plus square root of 10 and x is equal to minus 6 minus square root of 10. So there are totally three values of x. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.